Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. The day this vlog was recorded ay nasa MECQ period na tayo, and grabe, I think this is just the third day of MECQ and marami sa mga kabalen natin catch up na sa mga bills, sa mga transactions and everything. The time now is around 11:30 and check out the traffic. Well, the business that we'll be featuring today is a refreshment. Alam nyo na yung pupuntahan natin. It's a milk tea. It's a milk tea store. Alright, so this is it guys. Medyo pagpasensahan nyo na yung pagsasalita ko dahil may face mask nga tayo. Nandito na tayo sa Nomi. If you like to order via walk-in, so nandito po siya sa harap ng Walter Mart. Papasok tayo ngayon to pick up yung mga na-order natin sa kanila. So, yan, Nomi. Let's get in. Ready na pala yung mga drinks natin. So, of course, during the quarantine period, bawal ang dine-in. Ang gagawin natin, iuwi natin to dahil doon natin sila titigman. But before we get them into the packages, I would like you to know how are they being served. Onigiri. So look at that. For me na spam and egg lover, I'm gonna enjoy this for sure. Yun nga sabi ko, before we put them into packages, this is how they look like. And then for our drink, let me just give them a rundown. Kiwi with chia, Oreo avalanche. Wow. Mellow Puff. Melona Korean ice cream, available dito siya ng milk tea version. And of course, whoa, I think I'm gonna try this later on. Super. This is Cocoa Punch. Nomi matcha. Nga pala, just trivia. So Nomi is a Japanese word which means
drinks for Nomi Mono.
Oh, so it's a drinks for Nomi Mono. Pero sa Kapampangan guys, pachebeligtad mo yung balang inom. So inom, as simple as that, but clever name. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna continue later on with this sa bahay. Can't wait to taste them. Thanks so much, sir. So sa mga nag-order naman online, available po sila sa Food Panda and Mangan.ph. If you don't want to travel, you can just order from those food ordering apps. Alright. So ayun nga guys, since bawal ang dine-in sa mga restaurants ngayon, sa bahay ko tinitigman yung mga pagkain na pinapadala sa atin. Cheers! Wow! So nasabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, I'm a spam lover, I am an egg lover. They are both in the same dish, kaya sobrang nasisiyan ako. So titikman ko naman sa kanilang mga milk tea itong Cocoa Punch. So let's dig in. Oh. Oh wow. Sa mga mainit na panahon na ganito, this is so satisfying and this is so refreshing. So again guys, if you're craving for a milk tea, you can do a drive-thru sa kanilang lugar. It's located po sa harap ng Walter Mart, San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And again, if you don't want to go out of your houses, which is I will most likely to recommend, you can order this milk tea sa Mangan.ph or sa Food Panda food delivery apps. So again guys, thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I'll see you again. Bye!